Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line of code to your website so that your copyright year updates automatically. So I have logged into my demo site. I'm going to click on Pages so I can edit my page. I am going to click on Edit up here and scroll down to the footer. Click on Edit Footer. And I want to replace this line of text. As you can see, if I click on it, it says text. I'm going to delete that. Whoops. I'm going to delete that line of text. Click remove. And now I'm going to click on the plus sign. And I'm going to come over here to the content blocks and I'm going to select code. And now I'm ready to paste in the HTML code here. So I'm going to select this line of code, delete it, copy paste, and as you can see, Squarespace is telling me that code blocks are available to business and commerce plans. And I haven't yet launched this site, but let's say I wasn't going to upgrade to a business or commerce plan. There's another way to do this, so I'll show you that in a moment. But if I was going to use one of those plans, all I'd have to do now is replace this first and last with the artist's name or brand or company name, and then just click away and click Save. As you can see now, it has automatically updated to the year. And let's go back so that I can show you an alternative for anyone who's using the Squarespace personal plan. So we're going to click on Edit Footer, and we're going to come down here to the copyright code block. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to click on Add. This time I'm going to select the markdown option in the content block, and all I'm going to do here is the same thing, paste in the HTML code, replace this information, and click away, and then save. And as you can see, it's also updated and will continue to update automatically every year. So that's it, you're done.